Students, now the question number 10 of exercise 2.4. Question number 10 is Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. In question number 10, we have to find the present age of Aman and his son. And it is given that Aman's age is 3 times of his son's age. For example, if his son is 15 years old, then the Aman's age is 3 times of his son's, means 3 times of 15, which is 45. It's just an example. Now it is also given that 10 years ago, means 10 years before, Aman was 5 times his son's age. Okay, in present time his age is 3 times of his son's age. But 10 years ago, Aman's age is 5 times his son's age, and we have to find their present ages. So let's see the solution of question number 10. Okay, in question number 10, solution of question number 10, we'll let the present age of Aman's son. Present age of his son means Aman's son, x years, because the age of Aman is depending on his age. It's depending on the age of his son. So we'll let the present age of his son, which is x years. Then present age of Aman, and present age of Aman is 3 times of present age of his sons. 3 times means 3 into x, and 3 into x is 3x. So the Aman's present age is 3x years. Okay, in second condition it is given 10 years ago. So 10 years ago, age of son. Age of son is 10 years ago, means 10 years before. So we have to subtract 10 from his present age, and present age of son is x. So the 10 years ago age of son was x minus 10 years. And age of Aman. Age of Aman was, if Aman's present age is 3x, then Aman's age before 10 years was 3x minus 10. Just we have to subtract 10 from their present age. Now, according to question, it is given that when the 10 years ago Aman's age was 5 times his son's age. So Aman's age is 3x minus 10. So Aman's age is 5 times. So we have to multiply 5 to his son's age, and his son's age is x minus 10. So 5x minus 10. Okay, now we'll solve them. So 3x minus 10 will remain as it is. Here we'll open the bracket with respect to 5. So 5 into x is 5x, and 5 into minus 10 is minus 50. Now we'll transfer the variable terms to the left hand side and the constant terms to the right hand side. So we'll transfer this 5x from right hand side to the left hand side. So 3x will remain in left hand side, and plus 5x becomes minus 5x. This minus 50 will remain in right hand side, and from here left hand side minus 10 will transfer to the right hand side. So it becomes plus 10. Now we'll solve here. So 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. Minus 50 plus 10 is minus 40. Minus and minus cancel out. What will remain? 2x equal 40. Now we have to find the value of x. So transfer 2, and 2 is in the product form with variable x. So the transformation of 2 is 40 upon 2, and 40 upon 2 is 20. 2 into 20 is 40. So the value of x is 20, and 20 is the present age of Aman's son. Now we have to find the present age of Aman. So we have to multiply 3 to the present age of his son, which is 20. So 3 into 20 is 60. So thus age of his son is 20 years, and present age of Aman is 3 into 20, which is 60 years. That's it. But in a question related to ages, you have to first think which age, whose age we have to let, means either the son or the Aman. But here the Aman age is depending on his son's age. So first we'll let his son age, present age of his son, then present age of Aman. So present age of Aman is 3 times of his son's age. So we have to multiply 3 to the age of his son, which is x. So 3 into x is 3x. That's it. Now we have to do here according to question.